Frankie, here's the video of the rigging. So I've got all my pieces in here. He's all set to go. Let's go to the scene and I'll show you a demo. So you see me on the top right there. Let me zoom in so you can see me. Whoops. There's me so you can see. I could do my eyebrows moving up and down. And then let me zoom out. Left eye, right eyebrow, tilt, and then I can close my eyes. And I also have it set to capture pupil movements. I'm going to look up and look to the right and to the left and down. And now let's do some sounds. Ooh, ee, oh, oh. Alright, he is rigged and ready to rock. I hope you like him, and enjoy your wizard. Have fun.